Welcome to the Bag Showdown of 2025. Today we're going to be rating some of the hottest bags straight off the Fashion Week runway. Me, Sewphie, and Bossie are going to be rating these bags, and here's the twist. A bag makes it to our Wall of Fame, you get to vote on which one I remake. So first up, we have the chunky knit hobo bag.
This looks like a warm hug in bag form. If it came in pink, I'd probably sleep with it like a pillow.
Until you put your laptop in it and the strap says, nope. But fine, it's basically a blanket with handles. Points for comfort.
So I'm giving it a yes. It's playful and it's definitely statement making. So 2 votes win, on to the next one. This one is an oversized cream clutch bag and it's cozy and giving luxury vibes.
This is slumber party chic. Outfit, heels, and boom. Your pillow's ready when the party ends.
Translation, impractical. That's not a bag, that's your couch cushion with a strap. More like a luxe couch cushion, Sewphie.
I'm kind of on the fence with this one, but it is high fashion, and I could turn it into a crossbody or a tote bag. Wall of Fame for this one too. And lastly, a sleek leather bucket bag. It's minimalist, but it's also very bold. I really like that handle.
I like this one, Mia. That gold handle is screaming, I may be soft, but I still sparkle.
Okay guys, finally, a bag that means business. It holds your essentials, flexes the hardware, and still says you've got it together. ROI approved.
I might not be able to recreate that handle, but I do have some ideas in mind. So that's 2 yeses for me, and I think I'm gonna go with a yes on this one. It's classic, and it's perfect for a nice little girly girl handmade spin. So there you have it, 3 Wall of Fame winners: the chunky knit hobo, the clutch bag, and the black leather bucket bag. So which one am I gonna remake? So drop your vote in the comments, and whichever bag wins, I'm gonna remake in the next video.
Pick the cuddly one.
Y'all, pick smart, not just cute.